Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Haller and I'm here with John Box of Raphaels Bank. And we're at Next Gen Banking Nordics 2016 in Helsinki. Thank you for joining me.
It's a pleasure.
There's talk about corporate customers' requirements changing. Are you seeing this?
This is something we're very much seeing. If you think of our role in payments, we work with a lot of payment service providers who have both consumers and corporates as clients. Their corporate clients are really made up of a number of consumers, so the expectations are very similar. They expect the same from their corporate banking as they do from their personal private banking. Things that will make their lives easier are often things that they expect, so more automation, better reconciliation, removing the friction from payments and that 24/7 access. The big challenge for transaction banking is that these aren't typically things that they've been providing, so they need to find ways to improve their product offering and meet these demands.
Do you see transaction banking being disrupted by fintechs in the same way as retail banking could be?
I think there's certainly going to be some element of disruption. I think that will look more like competition and more like collaboration than just pure disruption for the sake of disruption. There's already a number of fintechs working in the SME space, providing services, banking services to smaller corporates, and I think that will continue. I think the challenge for transaction banking and that role is to work out where they sit. At the moment, there's a danger that they sit and actually limit the innovation by getting in between the fintech or the service provider and the payment scheme. And I think taking a step back from that, governing access and providing well-designed settlement solutions is probably the way forward. It's certainly the way that Raphaels want to go. And that moves us out of the way of limiting the factor instead standing in the way and actually being more of an enabler.
What one prediction would you make about the next generation of transaction banking?
I think the big change is going to be the sheer number of providers that are offering these services and how they offer them. If you think now it is just a number of incumbent banks offering transaction banking services as part of their wider suite of financial services. Just like consumers, the corporates are looking at getting different services from different providers. There are new ways to obtain lending, to invest, to make payments. It's all going to be part of a much wider system of providers. It could be small PSPs, it could be large PSPs, the small banks like Raphaels, and of course the incumbents will still, I'm sure, find ways to offer the services. I think their big challenge is to find ways that meet the corporate's needs in this kind of changing world.
John, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.